guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a new video. I did mention in the last one that we're going to be doing some downpipes pretty soon, so that's what this video is going to be. This is going to be a bit of a shorter video, but just so you know, about half the video is just going to be the downpipe explanation and the rest will be sound clips. So we'll go ahead and get started. So first you just remove the cowl, let's just pull off and then get access to each of these bolts here that are for the strut tower and remove that. Now that the strut tower has been removed, you can go ahead and unbolt right here where I'm holding one bolt that holds that fuse box, and then you should be able to move that over to this side. And then you also want to move that brake booster line that I'm showing right here. So that's as simple as just pulling it out. I didn't have a really hard time with it, but if you do, maybe you can just get some grease or something in there to help you out. So now that you got that out, there's just a couple bolts holding in the heat shield. You should be able to pull it straight out. And then now it's just as simple as unbolting the downpipes and taking them out. Downpipes are in now. The fitment is pretty good. I didn't really have any issues, and all in all, I would actually recommend these.